Guys, kumusta guys? Welcome to West Green Hills, San Juan. Tadaan lang tayo ng guys, ng Immaculate Conception Academy dito sa West Green Hills, San Juan City. Ito guys, ito yung Grand Street. Ito yung guys, school ng Immaculate Conception Academy. And then sa kabila guys, sa tapat ay ang Merida Queen Paris. Ito yung Merida Queen Paris guys, here in West Green Hills, San Juan. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Yes guys, just leaving here guys. Here sa kabila naman guys is Xavier School. Alright guys, thank you for watching here in West Green Hills, San Juan City. Bye.